There will be a gap between each spoken phrases, so please read aloud after the narrator. Please join in. Good morning.
おはようございます。
Hello.
こんにちは。
Good evening.
こんばんは。
Yes.
はい。
No.
いいえ。
Okay, now here is a quiz to recap what you have learned today. How would you say the following phrases in Japanese? Good evening.
こんばんは。
No.
いいえ。
Good morning.
おはようございます。
Yes.
はい。
Hello.
こんにちは。
Thank you for watching. Next time, we'll learn 5 more phrases for travelers. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are interested in Japanese culture, realities of life, and hot topics in Japan, have a look our other channel. You can find the URL in the description.